Welcome to my viewers. In this video I am going to explain to you how to clean Epson ink tank printer head. Now I have taken a printer, Epson L3210 ink tank printer. Now I am going to take xerox of this document. See, this is the document I am going to take. Just I keep down. I am going to give a xerox copy of this. See what is going to happen. I am going to explain to you. So now which is printing, but I am not getting any letters. I am getting but not clear. See, I am getting but not clear. This is what I got output after given xerox. I got like this. So to rectify this error, I have to clean the Epson print head. How to do this? All Epson printer is having one button which is called stop button. Okay, this button only now we are going to use. All printer surely will have this button, except LCD display screen won't have such a button. For that printer you have to clean using the menu. Here what I am going to do is, see, I am going to press one long press until this power button get blink. See here, see, I pressed long. See, that power LED is getting blink. Then what you have to do, you have to release your finger, right? After this power LED is stand still, you have to stop the process. Then you can give xerox or printout. If xerox or printout comes clearly, just leave the action. Again this print head issue. If it is not coming properly, what you have to do, you have to press once again this stop button. Let's power LED gets blink, then leave this stop button, let it gets continue until the power LED get still. Then you give printout or xerox, surely it will get okay. If it is not getting okay, once again you clean the print head until you get the proper output. If you are not getting the proper output, simply leave the operation that day itself. Then next day you try, surely you will get a little bit improvement, right? If the improvement is not continuing properly, just leave as it is, then continue day after tomorrow. So if you continuously try 1 week, surely this process will get okay. But instead of that, don't apply any liquid in printer head. Please don't apply any liquid in printer head. That liquid will go to the printer head ribbon cable. That will affect your printer ribbon cable, and your board also will get short circuit. So this is the way you have to clean the print head. But in cleaning the print head, you have to face one problem, that is ink pad issue. How to solve the ink pad issue, I have given in my previous video. Just to follow and release the ink pad issue. So this is the way to clean the any ink tank printer head, except LCD display Epson ink tank printer. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Welcome.